Okay, I was doom scrolling through YouTube, right? And I'm scrolling, and I saw this cute little stuffed animal. Like, and I saw this cute little stuffed animal, and I thought to myself, well, it's fine. Then this thing poking out.
This is an infinity
Look at that.
pillow. Why get a scarf when you could be
Oh my
cozy
god,
all
it's
winter
bouncing
long
up and
in
down.
this pillow?
Eesh,
It
she's
has a
holding
twist
it.
here
Ooh,
and it's big
look
queen
at it.
padded. You're supposed to be able to take this with you
It
on
got
a
a
plane
remote
or a
and
car
it goes
ride.
down.
It feels more like a neck brace than anything, and it slips.
I don't
No, no,
know
no.
This is an
This is
how
this isn't the
it
neck.
Why get a
What?
scarf when you
slipped
could be
through my
cozy all
and
winter long
okay,
in
I'm
this
scrolling, right?
pillow?
Hold
It
on.
has
Watch
Look at
this.
this. Another one. And this is for all the gents,
My finger doesn't hurt.
right?
What the heck is going on?
Yeah. Look at it.
I can get like
You get
one
the idea,
view
right?
and
Yeah.
they're
I mean,
selling this.
what? What the heck is going on? Well, content, right?